Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag GViswanathan's challenge, question number 19th. So question says container with most water. Well, this is a very famous question. You have different heights given in the form of the array. You just need to find what's the maximum unit of water can be possibly fill in between two heights. Okay, so you have to return that integer, basically the unit of water. So this is a question of 2 pointers, and this is kind of an easy question, but which I have already submitted, by the way. But I don't know, like, again, why this time complexity is so bad, because uh, only one possible solution is there, and this is what solution is. See, if I have seen solution of somebody else, the two did the same thing with like barely different code, but still, I don't know. This is the code, and whatever it may be, question is done. So thank you, and I will post more videos.